Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to complete question answers of chapter number 1, the special prize. So let's start. A. Answer the questions. 1. Why did the shopkeeper's face turn red when Tapan explained to the headmaster why he had thrown stones? Choose the correct option. First, the shopkeeper was angry, then the shopkeeper was shy, and last is the shopkeeper was ashamed. तो इसमें से आपको जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो टिक करना है. And the correct answer is C. The shopkeeper was ashamed. Then second, Naren and Mahesh thought that the headmaster would scold Tapan for talking to and helping the beggar woman. It is true. State true or false. अगर false है तो उसे correct करना है और ये क्या है true. Then how did Tapan help the injured ox? Tick the correct option. And correct option is he bandaged the injured leg after applying the medicine. Circle the words that you think describe Tapan, and that words are sensitive, kind, brave, and helpful. Then next question, fifth. Tapan's face grew red. He wished the ground would swallow him up. तो इसके ऊपर है एक क्वेश्चन आपको दिया है, वहाँ पे बोला है कि why did Tapan face grow red? Tapan's face grew red out of embarrassment and shy. Then next question is explain the meaning of he wished the ground would swallow him up. And answer is Tapan felt extremely embarrassed and wished he could disappear from the situation. Then 6. What lesson do you learn from the story? Choose the correct option. और correct option क्या है? Yes, we should help others and be kind to them. Then next. एक minute. Answer the questions in few lines. How did the shopkeeper cheat his customers? What impression do you form of him? Answer. The shopkeeper cheated his customers by charging higher prices and gave less and by using false weight. This portrays him as dishonest and unscrupulous. Then next. Second question. If the shopkeeper is dishonest, it is for the village panchayat to take up the matter. Do you agree with the speaker? Why? Why not? Yes, I agree with the speaker. It is important for a village panchayat to address dishonesty. Individual should raise complaint in customer court, then we should take legal action. क्योंकि ना यहाँ पर जो बोला है कि हम किसी के ऊपर एकदम डायरेक्ट लीगल एक्शन नहीं ले सकते हैं, करेक्ट ना? सॉरी, लीगल एक्शन मतलब हम लोग डायरेक्टली जाकर उससे मारपीट करना, ये सारी चीज़ें नहीं कर सकते. इसलिए अच्छा है कि विलेज पंचायत में जाके कंप्लेंट करो, तो फिर वो लोग कैसे करते हैं, लीगल तरीके से ये सारी चीज़ें हैंडल करते हैं. देन व्हाट इम्प्रेशन ऑफ तपन डू यू हैव एट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द स्टोरी? At the beginning of the story, Tapan is portrayed as troublemaker who engages a mischievous behavior such as throwing stones at the shopkeeper's store. Then fourth question, why were the headmaster's eyes moist when he left Tapan with the injured ox? And answer is the headmaster's eyes were moist when he left Tapan with the injured ox because he was moved by Tapan's compassionate actions and saw the potential for goodness in him. Next question, Tapan got punished for the two misdeeds and was rewarded for the other two. How do you think the incidents were different? Do you think he was rightly punished for the first two action? Answer, the incidents where Tapan was punished involved destructive behavior. In contrast, the incidents where he was rewarded involved acts of kindness and compassion towards others. He was rightly punished for the first two actions. Then vocabulary, complete the crossword with words from the story using the clues. तो first है an unlucky event. क्या है? Second, misadventure. Then fourth, the noise made by a group of people clapping their hands in appreciation. Fourth, applause. Morally bad. 5, wicked. Then 6, in a way that shows no confidence in oneself. 6 number, timidly. देन डाउनवर्ड्स, ऊपर से नीचे तक लिखने हैं ये वर्ड्स। फर्स्ट नंबर पे देखो क्या है, एन एंग्री आर्ग्यूमेंट मतलब क्वारल, झगड़ा। थर्ड, स्पोक विथ लाउडली एंड एंग्रीली। देन थर्ड, थंडर्ड। Then next question, match the words with the suffixes to make new words, then fill in the blanks with the words you have made. The king was believed to have magical powers with which he could control dragons. Second, Ria tried her best to make the guests feel comfortable. The children loved the colorful walls of the classroom painted by the teachers themselves. Fourth, the brightness of the summer sun blurred my vision for a moment. Fifth, freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh and Khudiram Bose sacrificed their lives for the country. Sixth, the radio is the old man's only source of entertainment. Then next, fill in the blanks with the plural forms of the nouns in brackets. Then state their gender. First, the old vixen trotted through the neighborhoods looking for scraps of food. Then, second, the drakes dove into the water at the first sign of danger. Third, the grooms refused to ride horses. Then, Moira planted peonies in a small garden behind her house. Fifth, the oxen refused to pull the plow under the hot summer sun. Koireng's sisters-in-law set up a clothing business last year. तो यहाँ पर अपना ये जो एक्सरसाइज है ये कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं। देन एक बार हम यहाँ देखते हैं, यस ये जो क्वेश्चन है ना फर्स्ट वाला, Why did the shopkeeper's face turn red when Tapan explained to headmasters and why he had thrown the stones? इसमें तो मुझे लगता है कि शायद ये ऑप्शन भी करेक्ट हो सकता है, द शॉपकीपर वॉज एंग्री।